Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber. If you don't know me, if you do know me, you know my name's Amber. Today I'm going to be doing a 2-week review for the Owow smoothing treatment, and I'm just going to show you guys my hair, show you guys when I wash it and what it looks like, and I'm going to be using the Owow shampoo and conditioner. I have to use this because it is sulfate free, and I believe that sulfate breaks down the effects of the product that you originally used, so that's why they give you one in the set. But first, I'm going to show you guys how my hair's actually coped for these last 2 weeks. And some of you might be sitting there thinking, Amber, you haven't washed your hair for 2 weeks. Mind your damn business. All for science anyway, just to see how long it can really last. So, this is my hair just straight out of bubble. I've brushed it today, I brushed it this morning, and it's still looking flat to my head. It's looking straight. It's not looking like especially curly anywhere, just when you look at it like this, but we are gonna go a bit further in depth. So first I'm actually gonna show you guys the underneath portion of my hair, because that's the part that usually gets the curliest after straightening my hair. But as you can see, there is, I don't know if you can actually see because I can't feel it. There's some very minor curling right at the top of them, but you know, that's expected because my hair is naturally curly and it's not gonna just stay pinpoint straight. It never does. So I expected at least a little bit of curling, but we're being a bit pedantic. And then another problem area is a bit further up than that. As you can see, this bit's a bit more curlier than the bottom ones, but it's still not curly as hell, okay? And then the last place, which is normally the curliest part, is just right there. As you can see, it's a bit puffy around the edges. I'm pretty sure that's because I didn't straighten it right, because I'm too scared to get too close to my head. But overall, I think that this stuff is amazing. Like, I'll show you a picture of me 2 days after straightening my hair, like last year, and how frizzy it got like 2 days later. It was the same weatherish as well. It was like really sunny, and it was really sunny when I first straightened my hair, so it's not like it rained while I was there. It did rain, but that was after I took that photo.
And you know what, now thinking back on it, I actually went outside 3 to 4 times in the rain, not like for a long time, but I did go outside and actually stand in the rain with my hair out, and it's not that curly, and I haven't re-straightened it or blow dried it or anything like that, and it stayed the same.
This is just the back of it. And I think that's all you guys really need to see. It's straight. It's still really straight. Like, look at that. Yeah, my hair's a bit greasy, but now I know not to leave it for this long if I ever straighten it again. Usually it'll go back curly, so I can leave it for longer. Now I'm going to go into my bathroom and wash my hair with the shampoo and conditioner that I was given, and we'll see what happens. So I'll see you guys in a second. So everybody, we're back where we started. Hair freshly washed. And let's have a look at this. I've got a t-shirt on my head to stop breakage. So at the top, you can tell it's got dandruff already. You can tell it's already like shinier, in my opinion. My hair, freshly washed after the Owow treatment. I think my curls look amazing right now. But we do need to blow dry it. I saw somewhere, I'm not sure if this was a direct comment from Owow, but I saw somewhere that you have to blow dry your hair every single time you wash it, so that it upkeeps the effects of the Owow.
Yes, your hair will be perfectly frizzy free after the treatment, and that's the main benefit of the treatment. But you need to keep in mind that because the treatment is thermoactive, you must blow dry your hair after each wash, so the smooth memory of the hair will be reactivated.
Got this, and I have also bought some Aveda Brilliant Damage Control because I'm sick of putting heat on my hair. It's just not good for it, so I wanted some damage control before I blow dried it this time. I searched up what brands don't have any sulfates in this. This was the biggest, most reasonably priced one. that I could find, so this is what I bought. So I'm just gonna spray this all over my damp hair. Oh, it stinks. It smells like ginger. For the shampoo, I don't really like it because it doesn't like lather very well. Like, what you put on is what you kind of get. You don't get no extra bubbles or like that, which is quite disappointing because I had to use like quite a lot of it to actually feel like it was in my hair. I know that the bubbles don't mean anything about how good it cleans. I learned that from Brad Mondo, if that's even how you say his name. A lot of people think that if it doesn't have suds, it isn't gonna work. But it is, don't worry guys. I've coated my whole head in that, and my head smells like ginger, like proper bad. I'm going to go through all my hair with this hairdryer, and I'll be back to show you guys the final result about what my hair looks like in both ways. So I'm back, and this is the final hair. I honestly don't think it looks that much different, like when it's out altogether, but when you get closer and look at the little strands, like, I don't know, I just feel like they look more straight. I think they look more straight, like they've lost some curl pattern, which I don't mind. Ooh, some people will mind that, but I'm guessing it's only temporary, since this is a temporary solution. Took me ages to dry, so I know full well it's more straight, because for some reason when my hair is, like when I had it chemically straightened as a child, it took a lot longer to blow dry and all things like that. But yeah, I don't think it changed my natural hair that much. Maybe if I had my hair, no, that wouldn't even work. Because the thing is, when I blow dry my hair, I have to brush it too. So this is what it would turn out like, and that's not what they said. It's still frizzy as hell. Like, maybe not as frizzy. I'll put side by side picture of me from the last video. So let's go to this side. Just, no, I don't think so. I don't think it really did anything for my curly hair. And because it doesn't work unless you blow dry it, wouldn't do anything for my hair when it's ringlety, because sometimes if I want it to be ringlety, I'll get out of the bath, plait it straight away and then leave it in plaits for a few days, and you're not allowed to let it air dry, so I don't really know how I'd solve that problem at all. But overall, the product was worth the money, and hopefully if we're out of this lockdown before the 2-month period is over, I will totally straighten my hair again and go clubbing or something, so you guys can see how the hair stands up against actual real life things that people do. But you know, right now, we ain't doing normal people shit. If there's any more questions you have about this Owow stuff, then just comment them down below. I will not hesitate to actually answer them and try and answer them best I can. That's about it. I'm just gonna show you my hair a little bit, so then, yeah, no, I don't think it really did anything. It made it a bit softer, and it looks straighter, like on its own. Like that bit looks really straight, but it's not. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Share it with your friends, I don't mind. If you want me to do any other hair like reviews on any products or anything, then just comment them down below and I'll take a look. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram, follow me at amberjade.hunter. And I honestly think that's everything for this video. I'll see you guys later. Have a wonderful day and a beautiful evening. Bye!